Hey, y'all, and welcome to the Southland Piper. I'm your host, Tim. Hope you're doing well today. I have this little Sheraton pipe that is pretty dirty on the inside of the bowl, but let's turn around to the workbench and get to work on it. All right, let's take a look. The stem is heavily oxidized. Here's the name. Let's see. Grosvenor, something like that. It's shape 320. The stem's good and tight, so that's good. A little bit of cake, mainly over to one side. We do pass light, so we're not blocked. That's always a good thing. A little carbon buildup on the top. We'll have to just wait to see what kind of shape it's in. Everywhere else, the pipe looks pretty good, so not too bad. Well, let's get started. The stem is now soaking in the oxidation cleaner, so we got that started. I might be able to use my Decatur to get all the way down there. If the square socket will fit down in there, we'll have to just see. I don't know if it will, but let's get started. Let's get a smaller one. Well, I am able to get down all the way to the bottom, so that's good. It's a stack, but it's not an overly tall stack. Let's see. That is some hard carbon. Hard cake. All right, I'll be back as soon as I get this all cleaned out. I finally got all the cake out of the inside, so that's how we look now. Much better. All right, we're going to clean the shank and do an overall cleaning on the Stummel. Yeah, kind of dirty. I could tell when it first went in there, it just kind of felt a little mushy. This will take a little while. I'll be back. The stem is now out of the deoxidizer and looks good. Let's see. Yeah, we got a tooth mark there and a couple here. I'll see if they'll raise up out of with some little heat, and if not, I think they'll file out just fine. That's pretty well got those. Let's see if I can twist this. Here we go. Alrighty. Now while I'm buffing the stem out, the stummel, I'll get it soaking with some of the briar cleaner. Here's the briar cleaner. I'll put a coat on it and let it sit for 20 minutes and then scrub it with a soft toothbrush and water. Pretty thick on top. All right, we'll let that sit for 20 minutes. Well, I've decided on British tan, and so let's see what we can make this look like. When I was cleaning the pipe, a little bit of red kept coming off of the pipe. So that's one of the reasons why I decided to go with the British red. And you can see a little bit of red in the Stummel as it is. All right, we'll let that dry. The Stummel is now dry, and I'm ready to buff it. So hopefully it'll come out pretty good. I like the grain. I think it'll look nice once we get it buffed up to a nice shine. Well, here's the finished pipe. I think it turned out really nice. The stem cleaned up really well. The graining of the shank, I just really like it a lot. It's a pretty pipe. Some more of that grain on the shank. I just like it, really do. Too bad it's not a filtered pipe. Well, thank you for joining me today and hope to talk to you soon. Bye.